I started with a free topic. Ang ginawa ko, blog. Actually, hindi talaga blog. It's more of like just a collection of Bible verses. Then I get some traffic. Then I make some money. So yung make some money ko, hindi ko agad binili. Ang tawag doon, wisdom. Kumita ka ng konti, binili mo na. Sino dyan yung nakaka-relate? Aray. Type aray. Yung ang dami mong pera, ang dami mong 13th month pay, na-receive mo noong December 15, pagdating ng December 27, saan napunta yung 13th month pay ko? I don't know, baka nadukutan ka ng mga mall, ng Apple, ng Samsung, ng Jordan, ng Nike, baka nadukutan ka. Anyways, going back to what I'm saying, make a little money, build it up. This is what I'm trying to say. When you do this business, in any other business, you ask any other entrepreneur, they're gonna give you the same answer. This is not even brand new. Okay? Ang tawag po I'm about to share with you guys is common sense. Okay? This is not even brand new. Ang tawag po rito is common sense. Very simple lang naman, guys. This is how our business works. Hindi ka magiging chillyonaryo if you don't get this. Initially, you gotta make a few dollars. So just imagine, that is just a hill. That is just a hill. You make a few dollars in here. Malit lang. Maybe first ebook, second ebook, maybe nakasampung ebook ka pa lang. Pag inubos mo agad yan, then you're dead. You're always starting from scratch. Okay? You gotta save money. And then you're gonna reinvest yung kinita mo sa negosyo mo. Brilliant idea. Ngayon ko lang narinig yun ah. I-reinvest ko pala yung pera. Yeah. So para from here, lalaki na yung may pera ka na. Nung una wala ka pera, ngayon may konti ka ng budget. Whether you spend on ads or whatever, right? Or whatever you decided. Then, kikita ka na naman, i-reinvest mo yan. And then, malaki na yan, i-reinvest mo na yan. That's how you grow a business. Ang problema, most of us, we were trained as an employee. That is a problem. Anong employee? Alam niyang may kinsenas at katapusan na darating. That is a thing. Pag may pumasok sa pera ko, sa wallet ko, sa ATM ko, uubusin ko, may kinsenas. Wait! Before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.